There are people making thousands of dollars on Studypool every single month. Do you want to learn how they do it and how you can do it too? Then watch this video until the end and follow every single step that I will show you in this video. So there's basically two ways that you can make money on Studypool. You can sell documents and you can become a tutor. So both of these are making people a lot of money, and I'll show you how to do both. First, how to sell documents. So Studypool is basically an online platform that helps students make their homework and get good grades. So as you can see, they have mathematics, science, business, and pretty much any other subject that you can get in school. So when you go to the sell documents section right here, you will see that you can earn money by selling study documents. They claim you can earn up to $5,000 per month, and this is exactly what I'll show you how to do. So here's how it works. First, you upload a document, then it needs to get approved, then it will get viewed by students and you earn money. So you earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So Studypool basically has a subscription, and that allows people to view unlimited documents inside of Studypool, and when they look at your document you get a share of their subscription. So here you will see some top earners. This person right here, called Ellen Mitch, has earned $95,000, and this is all by selling documents on Studypool. So here's how you can do it. First, click on Start Selling Documents Now. Then you will need to create an account, so you can simply sign up with Google. Now here you need to agree to the terms of service, so click right here if you agree and click I agree. Now to finalize your account, simply give your account a name, type in the school you went to right here, and here choose an avatar that looks like you. And then go and click on continue. Now here simply click continue again. And now you can search their database of over 20 million homework questions, study documents and class notes. So simply click done. So now you will have signed up and you can actually go ahead and sell documents. So to do this, click on sell docs in the top right here. And now here what you can do is upload a document. So what type of document should you upload? Here are 4 types of documents you should upload. So quiz and exam prep, so practice tests, exam prep material, and study guides can be helpful resources for students. So for example, if you got a practice test from your teacher, now you can simply upload that onto Studypool and give it the exact name. So for example, study test algebra for this specific subject, and then people can view that and you will earn money. Now you can also upload old assignments, so past homework, projects, reports, presentations, papers, etc. that students can review as references. And you need to bear in mind that people pay a subscription, so they don't necessarily have to pay to view your document. So even if you think that it's not very valuable, you can still upload it because it may be helpful for people. Then you can also upload class notes, so detailed class and lecture notes to help students learn and understand academic concepts. And finally, they accept content in all languages from all countries, so you can upload any of these documents in any language. So for example, if you have an old test, then you can simply click upload more files and then simply upload that file right here. So for example, if this would be one of those files, then you can simply upload it right here. So then click I understand and click confirm. And now you have uploaded this file. So click OK, and now they will review the document. And if they approve it, then you can actually go ahead and give it a name, etc. and will be uploaded onto Studypool, and when people view it, you will earn money. So here you can see the documents that are approved and the documents that are declined. Now here is a tip. Help students find your document by providing strong titles. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. So make sure that you title your document something that people can actually search for, such as for example class notes on a very specific subject. So that's one way to earn money using Studypool. So this way you get up to $10 every time a student views one. So they can actually search for study resources right here, or for example go to mathematics, select geometry, and then when they click next step, they can describe their question right here, so they can try to summarize the question using 15 words. And if this matches with the documents that you have uploaded, they will find your document, and then when they view it, you will earn money. Now the second way to make a lot of money on Studypool that may be even better for some people is by becoming a tutor. So when you click become tutor right here, you get benefits like this. So you get the lowest service fees for tutors, so that's 20%. You get a reliable income and you get full freedom and flexibility. So simply click on apply now and you can click on start your application now. So click start application and it will take about 30 minutes. So here read this and click acknowledge. Now here just fill in your details, then click save and continue, and there are 2 more steps after this. So you will need to prove that you actually know what you're talking about when it comes to a specific subject, so that they know that you can actually teach people. So as a tutor you can answer specific questions. So for example, if I have a question about business and specifically about Excel, then what I can do is simply ask that question right here. So do it as specifically as you can right here, and then they will find a tutor that can actually explain this to me, and then as a tutor you will get paid because I will pay the tutor for the question. So that's how it works to become a tutor. You basically answer questions from people, and if you give a good high quality answer you will get paid for it. So you can do this as many times as you want, so you can make a lot of money with this. And usually if you answer a question you will get something like $5 to $10, as you can see when you click become tutor right here. So here you can see some recent questions. So for example, this person right here is asking about the imperfect tense in Spanish, and they will pay you $5 if you answer their question. So if you know how to do this, then you will get paid $5 if you give a good answer. But for some of these you will even get $40, as you can see right here. So they are asking about engineering stress and strain explanations with a graph. So when you click on it, so you will see this specific question that the student is asking, and now here you can see that the tutor has answered this. So they just simply answer the 3 questions they have here, and they provide the graph since the person wanted a graph. So now this tutor has been paid $40 for this answer if it's a high quality answer. So it's a pretty easy process. So just pick a subject that you know a lot about. For example, if you are very experienced in psychology, or you have gone to university for psychology, for example, as you can see you can earn up to $7,500 per month by answering homework questions from students in the United States. So most of these questions, if you are very good at what you do, will take you about 15 minutes to answer, and as you can see you can earn up to $40 for this. Now this one may have taken a bit longer, but for a simple one like this right here, if you are very good at math, then you can answer this question in about 15 minutes since it's just a math question. So then you will be paid $3, and if you just do a lot of these every single day, then you can actually earn up to $7,500 every single month. So to answer the question how to earn money on Studypool, you can either sell documents such as your homework, class notes, old practice tests and more, or you can become a tutor and answer specific questions. So that's how to use Studypool to earn money. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.